Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup tutorial, but this time I have something special for you guys. Just look at this beauty, isn't it pretty? So I recently got my hands on it. It's an eyeshadow palette and it's from Lancome Paris. It's called Monsieur Big palette and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So basically it has 12 shades and all the shades are very girly and very sassy and very subtle at the same time, and I think all the colors can be used in any occasion, be it any festival, be it party or a date night or a movie night. So that's the best part. It's an all-in-one palette, and if you want to know how I created this look, just follow through the steps and continue watching. So I've already primed and prepped my skin, and now I'm going to start with this foundation. This is L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation and I am shade 120 Vanilla. This shade is little lighter for my complexion, but we'll work it out. And taking a little bit at the back of my hand. Also, I have some little bit of redness on my face, so I think the foundation will cover it all. If not, then I'm gonna conceal later on. Taking my damp beauty blender and applying the foundation all over my face, except my under eyes, because anyway I'm gonna conceal them. For concealer, I'm using my L'Oreal True Match and I'm shade 4 and beige. I'm using it under my eyes, slightly, on the corners of my mouth, and at the spots where I can see little darkness, and gently stipple it in and push it in my skin. You don't have to drag because that will move the foundation, so you have to basically stipple like this. Push the product into the skin. Be a little careful under your eyes because the skin is very thin and sensitive over there, so do it very gently around the eyes. I'm highlighting my under eyes and other high points of my face using this Fit Me concealer and highlighter from Maybelline, and this is shade 20 Sand Sable. I'll do a little bit of highlighting and not go over the board because this is the area which creases a lot, so I think little is more here. I'm doing my bridge of the nose, my cupid's bow, blending it using the same duo fiber brush. You can also use a beauty blender or a mini beauty blender, whatever you're comfortable with. So always remember, after concealing and highlighting your face, you would want to set it immediately. And to set my face here, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This is the best loose powder I have come across in drugstore range. I totally love it and it gives a very airbrushed look to your face. And I'm taking this fluffy brush from Crown and I will immediately set my eyes using it. So dusting off extra. Setting your eyes is the first thing you want to do to avoid any creasing and cakiness. Moving on to eyes, now I'm starting with my eyebrows first, and for that I'm using my Goof Proof eyebrow pencil from Benefit and I'm shade 3.5. I'm combing them first And now from the other end, I'm gently making hair-like strokes. Now finally on to the part I was most excited about. Look at the palette. I have already swatched it, so it's some of the colors are used. But look at the shape and the colors. How pretty are they? I am randomly gonna use any of the color from the palette. So I am going to use this as my base, and this to contour my eyes, and maybe this as a highlighter. So I'm mainly gonna use 3 colors today and create a look. So let's see how the palette is. I'm taking this color first and putting it all over my eyes, and starting from the outer corner. And I will keep developing it until I am satisfied with the result. So now next is this darker shade of mauve. I'm taking this color and I'm putting it all over the lid and also on the lower lid. I'm taking this small blending brush from Crown. This is a blending brush, but it's little smaller than the other ones that I used just now. Instead of extra, and I'm putting it on the outer. That was traffic. So anyway, starting from the outer corner till 2/3, and dragging it all the way to the lash line and creating a little V from the same color. I'm really liking the eyeshadows. Colors are also nice, plus the texture is so soft and smooth, and it's blending like butter, and I don't have to do much efforts as compared to the other eyeshadows that I've used in the past. So, it's blending very quickly, and I cannot see any fallouts as of now, so that's the best part, that there is no post cleaning. And please avoid the background noise because there's some construction going on. So now I'm taking this shade right here. It's a little baby pinkish shade, and it has a little shimmer in it, and I'm going to use it on my brow bone using this pencil brush from Kiko Milano. You can even use your fingers. Just the slightest of highlighting would be enough. So now I'm again taking this color right here, the same shade I used on my outer corners. I'm taking the same color with this flat square brush, and I'm going to put it all over my lower lid. I'm using this nude pencil from Sephora, and now I'm going to tightline my lower waterline with it. I really like using nude pencils a lot these days. First of all, they really awaken your eyes and make them appear bigger. And secondly, it's good for a change to, just get kajal and use a nude pencil. Although I'm gonna use a kajal after it, but still, at least not in my waterline. So it's a good change. For kajal, I'm using Loreal Magic Bold Kajal, and I'm going to use it on the outer corners, just on the outer corners, and I'm going to smudge it with a pencil brush. Do it a little quickly. because you don't get much play time with kajals. You can also opt for a gel eyeliner, whatever you have. I'm curling my eyelashes now, and also I'm going to list all the products that I have used in the video in the comment section below, so you can check out the price and the details of the product. For mascara today, I'm using the Maybelline Volume Express, and it's an easy wash, so that also saves your time when you are cleaning your makeup. So this is the best part about this mascara. Last but not the least, I'm going to highlight my inner corners, and I'm using the same shade that I used on my brow bone. So I think the eye look is complete now, and I am liking it. So moving forward, I will quickly do my bronzing, highlighting and blush on a lipstick. So for bronzing, I'm using my favorite HOOLA bronzer from Benefit. Little on my temples, like very little, and rest on my jawline and chin. For blush today, I'm using Benetint, and this is a liquid blush. This can be used on your cheek as well as on your lips, so this is a multitasker here. I'm going to put it little on my nose and little on my cheeks. Take one portion, put the product and blend it, and then move forward on the next part. Now to highlight my face, I'm using this highlighter from Revlon. This is a highlighting palette, and the shade is Bronze Glow. For lipstick today, I'm going to be mixing two shades today. This one is from Kiko Milano, and this is from Miss Claire. This is a matte lip cream. So I'm going to be mixing both and create my shade. I'm diffusing it a little bit from my fingers, and I'm going to use the rest of it on my cheeks for some cohesion, and blend it. And I'm going to use Kiko Milano lipstick over it for some glossy effect. So guys, this is a complete look, and I hope you liked it. Also, I just love this eyeshadow palette. What can I say about it? The colors are so beautiful and girly. The texture is so smooth, and the colors are so blendable, and they're highly pigmented. And the best part is that there are no fallouts. So there is no post cleaning and applying concealer and powder and baking and all that jazz. So I will give it 10 on 10, and also I would try and find out if the palette is available in India. If it is, I would link it in the section below. And if you like the video and the makeup tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Try this look and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay happy and stay beautiful, and I shall see you next time. Bye.